Hello guys and welcome sa aking first video or maybe the last, we'll see. In this case, I will show you the how to install Java 8 on Windows 10. Okay, so sa mga gustong magsimula ng Java programming pero hindi alam kung saan magsisimula, first is syempre mag-install muna tayo ng Java sa ating Windows 10. Okay, so papakita natin yon sa ating video today. And if you want, you can go sa mga timestamps na ilalagay ko sa description. If you want to skip through this long, boring introduction. And para masimulan na natin. Okay, so basically, you have two steps. Well, of course, you have to download the Java installer from Oracle website. And then second would be to install. Okay, so first, gagawin muna natin yung download. Okay, so now we are going to oracle.com. Okay, so that's the Oracle website. Let's go to products and then Java. Okay, and now we're going to click download Java. So makikita mo sa download page ni Java, marami kang versions na makikita. Okay, so huwag ka munang magpapa-overwhelm sa mga bagong versions. Sa Java development, wala naman silang difference in terms of versions. Mostly lang yan, mga maliliit lang yan na features. Pero in reality, it doesn't really matter kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin. In our case, ang gagamitin natin is yung pinaka uh, subok na version, which is yung Java 8. Okay, so this is the one of the long-term support releases ni Oracle for Java. What that means, I mean, long-term release or long-term support release is LTS for short, is basically magre-release sila ng mga patches. So, updated pa rin yung Java 8 kahit na mag-release sila ng Java 9, Java 10. Okay? Recently, nag-release sila ng Java 11. Okay, so ito na yung bago nilang LTS version, which means kung mag-release man ng Java 12, Java 13, or Java 15, kung makikita mo rito, iso-support pa rin nila yung Java 11. So, magre-release pa rin sila ng mga updates for Java 11. Okay, so sa case natin, we're going to install Java 8. And kung makikita mo rito, ang latest version niya is update 261. Okay, so we're going to click JDK download. And now, makikita mo yung list here. So mag-scroll down ka, makikita mo yung list of installers. So for different versions of operating system. Okay. So sa case natin, since tayo ay nasa Windows 10, we're going to focus on these two links here. So in order to learn kung ano yung version na da-download natin, kailangan muna natin malalaman kung meron ba tayo. Kung tayo ba ay running on 32-bit or 64-bit ng Windows. So, madali lang malaman yan. First is go to File Explorer. Okay, so pag meron ka ng File Explorer, just right-click this PC and then click Properties. Okay, so makikita mo rito, ang system type natin is 64-bit operating system, then x64 based processor. Okay, so makikita mo yan kung ikaw ay naka 64-bit na Windows. So, now, alam na natin kung anong version ang da-download natin. Let's just download this one. This is the Java 8 Update 261 for Windows x64. So, just click or I reviewed. Okay? Make sure na at some point, kailangan mo i-review mo rin siya. Pero for now, to proceed with the download, just click I reviewed and then download the Java version or the Java installer. Oh my God. Okay, so now, since nag-agree ka dun sa license agreements, kailangan mag-login ka. Okay, so hindi mo siya pwedeng i-download on na free na anonymous. So kailangan mo mag-login using your Oracle account. Kung wala kang Oracle account, you can create a new one. So you can create an account here and then just fill up the information here and then makakatanggap ka ng email to confirm your email address and then that's it. You can just download it from there. In my case, meron akong account, so I'm just gonna use it instead. Okay, so now meron na tayong na-download na natin yung exe file. All we have to do now is, click or double click JDK8. Okay, so just, double click the installer to open just like any other application. And then may lalabas dapat dyan na, prompt like it's going to ask us kung saan natin i-install yung Java. So magtatanong siya ng ganito, just click yes. Kung walang lumabas na ganun, okay lang. As long na lalabas itong window na ito. And in this case, we're going to click next. And then we're going to enter kung ano yung location ng ating installer or installation. Sa akin, I would like to put it under C Oracle. Okay, I just want to make it as simple as possible. I'm just gonna use C Oracle JDK. And moral of the story, you can use any name, any folder as you want. As long na kung maaari, hanggat maaari, walang spaces. So I'm gonna click OK. And then, tatanungin niya ako kung gusto ko bang mag-install ng iba pang tools. Walang problema sa akin. I'm just gonna use them all. Click next. And mag-i-install na siya. In this case, ang una nating install is yung JDK or yung Java Development Kit. Yun yung gagamitin natin if you want to compile Java codes. Ngayon, ang tinatanong sa atin dito is yung JRE or yung Java Runtime Environment. Ano yung Java Runtime Environment or JRE? Ito yung kuwari, kung hindi ka naman nagko-compile or hindi ka naman nagko-code ng Java, if you want to run a Java program, at least kailangan meron kang JRE. Okay? So, kaya meron ganito. So, in this case, hindi ko papalitan yung installation directory niya. I'm just gonna use the existing one kasi hindi naman natin siya gagamitin for Java development. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that and then click next. So now, na-install na natin yung JDK or Java 8 basically because we installed both JDK and JRE. And right now, wala na tayong gagawin. That's it. All you have to do is click close and you can start Java development. So, how do we know kung na-install natin ang tama? Just go to click command prompt. Okay, so I'm just gonna go CMD. And then, if we want, we can try Java. So, kapag lumabas na yan ganyan, ibig sabihin, na-install na natin yung Java. Okay? And that's it. I think. Yeah, na-install na natin ng tama. Kasi, lumabas na yung version. Yeah, that's it. Like this video kung nagustuhan mo siya. Subscribe if you feel like I deserve that. And wait for new videos. Wait for new videos na papakita ko for any Java and any other technical tutorials.